Today we will make our face pack with rice. We all love Korean skin for their radiance and flawlessness. Many of us look for Korean face packs. Also try to know how to make it. So today we will talk about a simple combination which is very easy to make and also very beneficial. Today we will not use rice flour or powder. Today we will cook this one small bowl of rice straight away. Now let's discuss about some qualities of rice. Rice is mainly a powerhouse of carbohydrate, vitamin B6 and magnesium. It is a great toner. It also helps to remove dark spots. People look for skin whitening face mask, but we prefer it to be used for glowing spotless skin. And the best part is today's pack will meet all these needs. You can grind the boiled rice here with the help of a spoon or hand or a blender as it is shown. Here we are taking 2 spoons to make this homemade face mask. You can take more as per your needs, but keep the ratio same. Now the ingredient which give us good result with this cooked rice, that is raw milk. You can also use boiled milk though. Milk is a good toner, also a good moisturizer, which is so important to get glowing skin. Here we are adding 2 spoons of this. Adding honey will add the benefits of moisturizing as well as its antioxidant properties helps us to tighten our skin. So as a result, we will have wrinkle-free glowing skin. Now mix all the ingredients well. Then you apply it and wait until it dries. Yes, it may feel a little sticky, but don't worry, when dry, just gently rub like exfoliator with cool water. Better you apply 1 to 2 times a week. Hope you get very good result too. You can also watch our other videos to see such simple natural remedies.